Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to draw BTS Jungkook. At first draw a big plus like this. It's not even a plus. Draw lines like this. If you love my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do share, comment and share. If you want, then you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Now I'm drawing the shape of the face. If you want to know which reference I used for this pic, then you can find out that by my Instagram. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram with the reference pic of Jungkook. I am ARMY, so that's why I am quite interested in BTS and I love to draw them a lot. And I have done so many portraits of them, and in future I will do more because I'm still learning. So these are not that good, but still I'm doing tutorials on it, that how I'm doing and how I do this kind of sketches or portraits. Now I'm drawing the ear. Here I am using normal AZ pencil. You can use any kind of pencil that you want or that you have. You can use any kind of paper. You don't need a expensive paper, expensive pencil. You can use normal pencil, normal paper to draw, to practice. If you are a beginner, don't just think that you can do this, you can do that, because if you are a beginner, then you will learn someday how to do it. So keep practicing. Whatever I do right now, it's whatever I'm doing right now is because of my practice. I have done practice, that's why I'm doing like this. Because when I started to sketch, it was not even this good. I'm not saying it's so much good, but I'm saying that it's not that good, but it's not that bad yet. And I'm still practicing, still trying to draw, still trying to figure out my own style. You should try to find out your own style too. It will help you to make a new style, your own style. It will help you a lot. So try to find your own style. Don't try to always like you have to draw whatever others are following. You don't need to draw in that way, just do it in your way. Now I'm drawing the eyes. When I was a kid, I first learned drawing that time, but for more than 10 years or less than or more than 10 years, I was not connected with drawing. I was not doing drawing because it was a little bit pressure on about my study. That's why I was not doing the drawings. But after this lockdown, this pandemic started, everything closed, included my varsity. So that's why I have started drawing again, and I'm so thankful that I started. In a way, I have started painting or drawing or whatever you want to call it again because of BTS, because I see every day so many armies are drawing so many paintings of BTS, so that's why I thought please start drawing again, because I know how to draw. Then if I do little bit practice, then I can do like them too. So that's why I started drawing again. Now I'm drawing the eyebrows. Use cotton bar for the blending. Now I'm using a 4B pencil. It's little bit darker than the SB pencil. Now I'm drawing the eyeball. I'm drawing nose like this. If you want, then you can draw realistic nose too, but I draw like this. It's my own style. I love to draw it in this way. Remove the excess line that you have. Now I'm drawing the leaves. I'm trying to fix my face shape. It will take little bit of time, but you will be able to draw the face shape properly after some practice. Now I'm drawing the hairlines. Now I'm started drawing the hair. If you are a beginner, then you will feel little bit trouble to draw this kind of strokes, but if you keep practicing, then you will be able to do it properly. So don't worry about that, just do practice. Now I'm putting more dark line around the shape, face shape. It's almost done. Now I'm drawing the color of the shirt. Let me know if you have any bias in BTS. My bias is Kim Namjoon, but I'm also an OT7. I love everyone in BTS. I love to support them all. And please let me know if you have bias or not. Please support everyone in BTS if you love BTS. If you have blending stamp, then use the stamp, and I don't have it, that's why I'm using a cotton bar. You can also use tissue, and also you can use just your fingertips for the blending, but I will suggest you to use tissue paper or cotton bar or blending stamp. If you don't have anything, like, just use tissue paper or cotton bar, because these are so available right now, like always is available. You can find it anywhere. Now I'm drawing the shadow of the face. Now I'm putting white fluid to highlight the eyes, nose and lips. If you have white gel pen, then you can use that white gel pen. If you don't have anything, then you can just use eraser to erase this part to highlight. It's done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye.